How to log in or sign in to your iFlix account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then in search address bar type down iflix.com and navigate to its official website. As you can see, the iFlix option available at the top, tap on it and navigate to its official web page. Now here all you have to do is tap on the iFlix icon available at the top left corner of your screen to navigate to the home page of the iFlix. Tap on the top left corner. Now here you can see the account icon or profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Then you can see there is login or sign up button available. If you have not signed up yet, then simply tap on the sign up. But if you already have signed up, then tap on the login and enter your iFlix account credentials and tap on the login button available there. And that is it. You have successfully logged into your iFlix account. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.